Have you ever heard of Suzie Spring? Well, you're about to. Let's go. Please like and subscribe. Adventure awaits. Let's go. We're on our way to Suize Spring, also called Suize Spring Falls, in Maryland, St. Andrew. I first came across the spring on my way to work in Woodford Hills, and just had to stop and check it out on my way back home. It's a unique hidden gem. Well, not so hidden, since it's located on the roadside with our fort to carry the water below. Let's hear from the caretaker of this fascinating find.
My name is Garda and we're at Suize Spring in Maryland.
Alright, so why is it called Suize Spring?
Well, my bank when you're in Suize Spring, you know, so I don't know why they give it name.
Oh, so that's over what? 50 years that now it have that name?
Well, more than that, 100 years because me 70 years now.
Okay. But we don't know who Suzie be?
No, I don't know Suzie at all.
Okay. The vibrant Jamaican colors, black, green and gold, makes it look like it was made for an Independence Day celebration. And well, it really was.
So my youth, the main taking picture and doing Buju
Festival.
I have to do.
Song.
I have to up the gully them do on.
Music video up there and everything.
Now I see why this location looks oddly familiar. It was used in the music video for the winning Jamaica Festival song for 2020 by Buju Banton, titled I Am a Jamaican. You can check out the video in the description below. Okay, alright, cool. Is that Buju at the sign up there or is that Bob? Who that? Bob Marley. Well, you know, they look alike, you know, sometimes, you know. Is it a place people can come and enjoy or?
Yeah, them do it all the way, people can enjoy themselves.
Yes, locals and tourists tend to stop and enjoy the beautiful view. It's a beautiful hidden gem. The rocks, the waters, the scenery, you can tell some work was done to set this up.
When I start the thing at the place, I bush up, you know, I say, man, I have search for a bush. You go take pictures, so I just build it out and clean it out and just paint it up, you know, and just do a thing in there.
If you're loving this video, please like and subscribe. It really helps us out. Let's go. Located on the roadside, surprisingly, it reminds me of Roselle Falls in St. Thomas and Falling Star Waterfall in Portland. Both beautiful hidden gems located on the roadside, but none as decorated and colorful as this. So much is it to come here, so?
No, we don't dare to charge a big money. Like if they have a little show now, we charge different. You know, them are come shitting and things. So at a different price.
There's a nice reggae vibe to this place, with shops nearby. And the spring is complete with foldable chairs for you to sit and relax while enjoying the peaceful sounds and the beautiful view of the St. Andrew Hills and mountains. The weak stream makes me wonder how it would look when there's more water flowing downstream. Is the waterfall stronger than this? Or this is light? How you saw it is this?
So yeah, you come down the prairie sometime. But when it like all the sun at the kind of go down.
I wish I knew who Suzie was, but that remains a mystery. I do know one thing about Suzie. Based on the setup and this homage to Jamaican culture, Suzie is certainly Jamaican. If you're looking to stop by, just give the Caretaker a small contribution to help preserve this beautiful hidden gem. As usual, you can find this location yourself using the Google Maps link in the description below. It's time to put Suize Spring on your list of locations to visit next. And that's it. Thanks for watching this nature adventure in Jamaica. Please like and subscribe and let me know what you think about Suize Spring in the comments below. See you on our next adventure.